To use your Uber Cash balance, start by opening the Uber app on your smartphone. Once you have opened the app, make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, you will need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Next, go to the payment section of the app by tapping on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 lines, and then selecting the payment option. In the payment section, you will see a list of all the payment methods you have added to your Uber account, including your Uber Cash balance. If you have an Uber Cash balance, it will be displayed at the top of the screen. To use your Uber Cash balance to pay for a ride, select Uber Cash as your payment method before you request a ride. You can do this by tapping on the Uber Cash option and then confirming that you want to use it to pay for your ride. When you request a ride, the fare will be deducted from your Uber Cash balance. If your Uber Cash balance is not sufficient to cover the full cost of the ride, you will be prompted to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Uber Cash can be used for other Uber services, such as Uber Eats. To use your Uber Cash balance for Uber Eats, simply select Uber Cash as your payment method when you are checking out. Best practices for using Uber Cash include keeping track of your balance and making sure you have enough funds to cover the cost of your ride. You can add more funds to your Uber Cash balance at any time by going to the payment section of the app and selecting the Add Funds option. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Uber Cash balance to pay for rides and other Uber services. Remember to always keep track of your balance and add more funds as needed to ensure a seamless and convenient experience.